Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Privacy Protection. Then tap on All Permissions and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Following that, click on one of your apps and choose the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last one, so when I tap, in this case, I need to confirm my choice in the pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always tap on an app that you wish to manage, and instead of selecting one of those options, tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those features only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!